Hello guys, review smartphone Nokia G11 Plus. Okay, look complementation of this device. In complementation we have only adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Key for SIM slot. We have slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Slot on the left side. On the right side, power key, volume keys. Upside, headphones jack. Downside, Type-C port. On the front side, we have 6.5-inch display. Okay, on the back side, double camera, fingerprint scanner, and speaker. Turn on device. Open tests. We have CPU Unisoc T606 and GPU Mali G57. Results: CPU test and GPU test. Look onto the benchmark score. 5 touch support display. And Antutu benchmark score. Close this. Run Guitar Sunrise demanded game. Guitar Sunrise on the max graphic level. Works very good. Okay, close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.